Trump flew home from Beijing yesterday. The headlines say the summit is over. Boeing closed their deal. Rare earth states suspended. Markets opened green. But the headlines missed three things. Three things that happened on the Chinese factory floor the day Trump's plane took off. None of them are good news for your Q3. I'm in Shanghai. I have been in factories all week. Let me show you. Change number one. Factory bosses called their Tier 1 buyers on Friday afternoon. Not their Tier 3 buyers, not their code hunters, just the architects. The call wasn't about pricing, it was about commitment. A factory boss in a Ningbo machinery plant told three of these American buyers that capacity for the second half just got tighter. Lock now or wait 6 months. Tier 1 buyers locked. Everyone else heard about it Monday morning in an email. Change number two. Prices shifted in three verticals quietly. Steel up 3 to 5% on derivative products, not from tariffs, from feedstock. Iran-driven petrochemical pressure is hitting Chinese steel mills this month. Electronics capacity holds on legacy chips. Allocations to American buyers got rebalanced quietly. Textile and packaging, the worst hit. Petrochemical feedstock moving fast. Cotton blend prices already moving in Foshan. None of these made the headlines. Change number three. The tire split widened. Here is what I have watched. In 25 years on the factory floor, every Chinese factory runs an internal ranking on every American buyer. Tier 1, the architect's multi-year commitment, first call always. Tier 4, the code hunters, last call. First cut when capacity tightens. After this summit, that split widened. Tier 1 buyers got pulled closer. Tier 3 and 4 buyers got pushed further out. Most American executives don't know which tier they are in. I am doing the full breakdown of the 4-tier system next Sunday. Subscribe so you don't miss it. So what does this mean for your Q3? Three things. 1. If your supplier hasn't called you this week, you are not Tier 1. 2. If your procurement team is still pushing the same RFQ they sent the last month, those numbers already expired. 3. The cost surge from petrochemical pressure hits your bill of materials in July, not October, July. Most procurement teams won't model this in until the invoice arrives. By then it's too late. Here is what to do Monday. Move 1. Call your top 3 Chinese suppliers this week. Voice call, not email. If they call back same day, you are Tier 1 or 2. If they take 3 days, you are Tier 3. Move 2. Recode on your top SKUs with language about post-summit pricing. Lock the new number before petrochemical pressure fully transmits. Move 3. If you have capital tied up in textiles, packaging, or electronics with your supplier in the next 6 weeks in person on their factory floor, that visit alone can move you up 1 tier. I am Cengiz, like Genghis, Shanghai. Next Sunday, I am breaking down the full 4-tier system Chinese factories use to rank American buyers. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I only post when it matters.